That was me. If there are campers, they come out now. No, we're not.
That's out this door. I mean, other side. I've started knocking. Nice. There might be another one. Sure. I'm gonna burn it.
Watch out for the barrel.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a Crowning King.
Fuck. So, yeah. At least we know they're gonna go close quarters.
Someone died.
Yeah. I heard it. I'm fucking so well. I'm just following the other from you.
Don't stay too close to me.
Yeah, there's a guy. Hit.
Nice, dead. Where's the other one?
I don't know. Oh, right by you. Hit.
Got him. There you are.
Ik heb Sparks.
Wacht.
Ik weet het niet zeker. Ik kan niet zien welke wapens
Ja, je
hij
hebt hem, je hebt hem, je hebt hem. Nog eentje.
Kom eraan.
Machete.
Ik heb hem.
Lekker, lekker.
Oh, wait, I can hear him. I hear him. I hear him. Oh, he's right in front of me.
Sst, ja.
Got him. Heard a door open. Give it a go. Nice, he does. Well done.
Oh, we killed each other!
So did you die, you know? What happened? Tell us your story, my girl. What happened?
It's an embarrassing
Well, maybe it
one.
wasn't you, Angela. And this 4 years, what happened? What's going on?
No,
Who
man,
killed you?
it's Juggernaut.
I knew someone was in there. Fucking camping.
What weapon did you have?
A crown and king. I was gonna do the same to you.
Oh, let's go to the lobby. Yeah, 2 guys on the east. East, northeast. Yeah, 60. One dead. The other one is 45. You wanna push?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
He was sitting still in the bush. Push. Yeah. He won't pick him up. He's far away from his buddy. Don't sit crouched.
You hit me pretty good.
Yeah, Vetterly.
What? How did you see me? He's only ranked 69.
I got him.
I don't even know how he saw me, like when I was in that bush. Piece of trash.
Good ding, hè? Wat heb jij voor wapens?
Volgens mij ging er 1 dood. Wat? Bullshit. Ik stop. Nee, grapje. Dat was echt heel slecht, jongen.
Ik heb er 1.
Volgens mij staat mijn uppercut 1 bot uit. Je hebt die witte zeker. Oh, die. Ja.
2.
Die guy killde mij.
Hai. Kut.
Jezus.
Ik heb er gewoon 4 gekillt hier, hè?
Deed hij even, jongen. Oeh, $100. Ah! Waar is die?
Ja, bij die 3 explosive barrels. Hij pusht. Hit. Ik ga hem dynamiten. Kijk uit, kijk uit, kijk uit. Bye. Te ver nog zo. Tier 1. Oh nee, dat is een zombie. Maar die loopt wel naar ze toe. Oh.
Op jou?
Nee.
Oh, ik zie ze, ja.
Het is een gevecht. Wacht, die zombie moet eraan.
Headshot.
Hij push shotgun. Rennen, rennen. Serieus? Romero. Maar er moet er nog één zijn. Je klipt echt alles. Maar er moet er nog één zijn.
Oh ja, ik zie hem T1 west.
Waar?
Oeh, mis. Ja,
Ik heb hem.
nice. Oh mijn god, hij bewoog net.
Waar was die andere die killde?
Ja, hier.
Are they inside the compound?
Hit. Hit again. Killed. Tier 3.
Chains?
That's
Yeah.
not us. Wait, I can dynamite. Yeah, I see them in the left building.
Want to find some fire? Can't find it.
Fire in the hole! One dead. He's in this building here, to your left.